In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete the image in Ideogram. So first off, as you can see in here, I just have to give you an example like dog under the sea. Now once you have searched that, so if you want to skip the weight, you have to get their basic or plus or pro. So just like this, like the dog is under the sea, you can click them or click these three dots. Usually you cannot find the delete button. It's because you are just in basic mode. It's locked. Even the edit button is locked. So you cannot delete them if you won't upgrade the plan. So you must upgrade the plan to delete images in a diagram. And furthermore, you could also just delete your account just to delete them. And as you can see, it is also has a daily limit, which is really bad. And that's it.